In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for online classes. This platform is a fantastic tool for educators who want to conduct virtual classes seamlessly. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can get your online classroom up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to your Google Classroom by visiting classroom.google.com. This is your starting point for creating and managing your online classes. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of classes that you are currently teaching. Click on the class that you want to start with. Once you're inside the class, look for the settings gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the settings page for that particular class. Now, under the General section, you'll see an option to generate a Google Meet link. This is crucial as it will be the virtual meeting room for your class sessions. When you click on Generate Meet Link, Google Classroom will create a unique link for your class. After generating it, don't forget to hit Save to ensure the link is active and available for your class. This link will now appear on the class page, making it easy for you and your students to access whenever you have a class. Once the link is generated, you can share it with your students. This can be done in several ways, whether it's through an email, a message, or even directly within the Google Classroom itself. Sharing this link ensures all your students know exactly where to go when it's time for class. Now, if you're preparing for a one-time class or need to create a new class entirely, that's just as straightforward. Look for the plus icon, which is typically found at the top or bottom of the classroom dashboard. Click on it and select Create Class. This will prompt you to fill in some details about the class, such as its name, section, subject, and room. Don't worry, you can always go back and edit these details later if necessary. Once you're satisfied, click Create. After setting up your class, inviting students is the next important step. You can do this by sending an invite via Google Classroom, or simply sharing the class link with your students. This invitation gives them access to the newly created Google Meet link, as well as any other resources you might share in your Google Classroom. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup for using Google Meet for your online classes. By following these steps, you ensure an organized and accessible virtual learning environment. It's an efficient way to manage your classes online, providing a central hub where all information and meeting links are readily available. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your Google Meet sessions both productive and enjoyable.